dress now, and she's got on her beanie and her little pink towels and her little Oshkosh overalls with a little jacket, and it's got a hood, so you can put her hood on too. So she's got a hood, and she's got on her little shoes. They're a size 2 and they actually fit her pretty well. I usually put her in size 3s, but these ones actually fit her quite nicely, so she's got those on. They're from Pumpkin Patch. And she's got on her little socks with the frill. And underneath she's just got a pink 3/4 onesie on. And she's also got a long sleeve top on underneath that. So she's all rugged up because it's really, really cold here. And I'm just going to have something to drink because it's like freezing. And then I'll take her probably over to the park. Thanks for watching. Bye.